Yo, okay. So, I'm just gonna put on some music. Way too loud. Okay, well, that should be fine, right? Yeah. Okay. Good. Then, welcome to the second week stream. Yeah. Let's go. Last time we made a little player movement. Today we're gonna plan the weapon system for the player. So yeah, we can move around. We have a little dash on space, and now we just need to add, add the weapon system and planet. So let's open draw.io and start. Everything should work right. New diagram, and that's okay. So let's start with a simple use case, right? So disappear, and he should be able to so the player should be able to aim, and shoot, switch weapons. I think we would need to implement the drop and select. So drop weapon. Oh, okay. Are we doing simple? Wait, let me. Okay. Seems like I lost Chrome. Come on, trust this. Now you're gonna see some of my stuff. Projects. Where is Water One? Water One. Yeah. Okay. Um. Are we doing inventory system like in Enter the Gungeon, where we have just 2 weapons? Or are we doing a real inventory system? I think I'll add the inventory system so we can have the player save some weapons or items, maybe some keys or something. Yeah, I think that would be good. Yeah, I think the real inventory system would be best to use keys, or should we add other? I think I'll use the two weapon system. So the player must decide what weapon he will continue with. Yeah, we're gonna use the two weapon system. Okay, so drop weapon. Pick up weapon. Reload. Weapon. And yeah, aim, shoot, switch, drop, pick up, reload. What else do we have with the weapons? Can reload. Can shoot. I think that would be it, right? There are no other features to the weapons, right? I think that would be enough. So yeah, here.
Blame it on me. You're just too scared to be lonely. No one's safe from the reaper. Not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descend into madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. Help, there's blood on my hands.
Okay, what the fuck? Yes. I'm serious. Okay, player. I think that would be it from features, right? Can aim, switch between the two slots, shoot, reload, pick up and drop. That would be it for the weapon inventory system. And now we're gonna add use case for the weapons. So weapons. Okay, so now with weapons. Let me just copy this, and for this we just need to switch shoot. Yeah, I think. Yeah, we need to shoot through the weapon system with the weapon that's selected. So yeah, that could stay here. And now we're gonna use this use case. We have the weapons. Aim, no, the aiming is with the switch weapons, also not. Yeah, shoot, reload, not in the weapon thing, no. Pick up weapon, also not, no. And drop, also not. Okay, so shoot, and I'm gonna add something to that. That's the damage. Okay. Let's move this over. Okay, so The weapon should just shoot damage. Like this is use case weapon, and we're gonna add some things or add some other like this weapon melee. This is shoot damage, and I think could add so with effect we can add something like knockback or flame or poison maybe. So yeah, and this adds to the weapon, so the melee has just no, that's not shoot, that's attack. And that's the same here. So we have this and yeah, so I'm gonna copy this and no, that's not weapon melee, that's weapon that would be shooting range. So this says the attack damage and the attack has bullet speed. Damage, bullet speed, and bullet range. And we have the reload speed, the reload time. And I'm gonna put this down, so reload time and magazine size. Is magazine spelled right? No. Oh my god. What's the word again? Yeah, so not a magazine weapon. What the fuck? No. Ammo. Not 5M, no. What the ammunition? Is it ammunition? What the? Yeah, okay, no, I think ammo amount. Yeah, that's self-explanatory enough. So yeah, that with the weapon types, with a melee weapon, ranged weapon, with different effects. Yeah. So that are the use cases. Just gonna save it before we lose it. So yeah, that's projects in the right folders. Wow. So where is it? No, not here. Yeah, water worm. And is this the right folder? No, that's the wrong. Oh yeah, wait. I think it's here under where is it? Projects. Water worm. There it is. Documentation. Concept. Nope. This is system planning. Okay. So yeah, weapons. And okay. So how are we gonna do that? Do we add a new Yeah, I think that would be the best. So we're gonna add a container here, and that's the no, we don't need that. Just gonna add a text and say weapon UML. And that's gonna be about 45. Yeah. I'm gonna upload all the things that we're making here, so you can see that when done. So we have the weapon UML, and where is it? Here? No. I need to install the UML package. When I'm gonna find it, where is it? Network, sim. Where's UML package? There, UML.20, right? Yeah. So okay, now let's use not the component, not the package. Yeah, this. Oh my god. 30. Why is it all this? Okay, now I hope I didn't fuck up, and yeah, I did fuck it up. Okay, so 13, 13, 13, and what the fuck, why? Okay, yeah, no. I'm just gonna add a new one. Yeah, I know, that looks good. So we can delete this. This is weapon. And attributes, attribute 1. That's damage. Type int. Meine Güte, der Mann macht Dinge. Einen wunderschönen Abend wünsche ich. Danke, dir auch. Auf Deutsch direkt, okay. Pappnase. Lange nicht mehr geredet. Ist lange her. Ja, so. Kannst du dich daran erinnern, wie das funktioniert hat? Ich versuche gerade alles aus dem Gedächtnis raus. Mir geht's gut. Ich fange mit Uni bald an. Komm schon drauf. Was geht bei dir so? Sheesh, ja, sheesh. Oh. Damage int. Wait, I'm gonna. Ich bin bunt und werde bald. Oh, okay. Okay. Panzerfahrer. Es kann Fahrer wie der Charakter funktioniert. Okay. Also es ist komplett woanders hin. Okay, mal sehen. Ja, viel Glück dabei, ne? Ich habe einen Kumpel, der möchte auch Pilot werden. Allerdings Farbenblindheit scheißen da rein. Okay, so damage. What did I add here? That's the effect. Okay, so we have effect with the type effect, and we have a public function named damage that doesn't get anything but returns. Oh no, that's not damage, that's attack. Nach circa 5 Jahren darf ich Helikopter fliegen. Nice. Macht sich halt Spaß. Hast du schon angefangen? Ist es schwer? Pilot müsste ja sehr viel Mathe sein, ne? Das war das Attack. And this should return. I think we need to add a class for the attack. So we create another attack, yeah. Then this needs 2, and this returns the type attack. So we have attack. That's not abstract. Ja, eher Physik und so weiter, aber ist etwas wissenschaftlich, die Heli-Steuerung. Okay, ja, kann sein. Ich werde wahrscheinlich nie fliegen. Ja. Ich bin gerade dabei, Bootführerschein rauszusuchen, dass ich das endlich machen kann. Muss aber dafür erst einen normalen Führerschein fertig haben. Aber, dass du dir erst ein bisschen mal in den Chat schreibst, wundert mich. Ich muss insgesamt alle machen. Ich möchte am Endergebnis soll sein, ich möchte in der Ostsee ein Segelboot rumfahren können. Allerdings, ich muss alle machen. Das heißt, ich muss von Segelschein anfangen und dann zum Fluss, offene Gewässer und sonst was, alles hoch machen. Das ist richtig ätzend. Attack Attributes. Das ist Attributes, ja, that's damage and the effect. Yeah. So operations, and it has the oh! Ja, Pappnase ist da. Dann Content ist immer noch auf Englisch, allerdings Pappnase ist da und dann kann ich auch auf Deutsch. Es ist gemischt, hab ich ja gesagt. Das war auf jeden Fall Arbeit, wie es sich gehört. Doch nur ich schreibe auf Deutsch, ja. Okay, operations. What type of function? I think should I use getter for this, or should I create an event that's get triggered if they are hit? And yeah, I'm gonna use get attack. Kleine Klassentreff. Get attack, and that returns. Oh, that shit, no. Get damage, and this returns int, and I'm gonna add get effect. That's effect. Then it's gonna hit from the object's perspective. So they are not. Yeah, no. Oh my god, what was the connection? Weasel, do you remember what type of arrow I need to add? If I'm gonna create attack class from this class. I didn't write NumL for so long, I don't remember. In which direction, I don't know. Not UML arrows. Hidden? Wir haben das Dreieck. No, he doesn't. He's not getting this. This just creates one of these. It's not inheriting. It's oh my god. What was that? Okay. Aggregation. I don't know. I need to check right now. I don't know what strong leadership best must communicate represents third condition. A directed association or something that link between. I think an association would be. Hier ist komisches Viereck. Viereck? Why? Composition? You mean this thing? No, it's not a dependency. No, that's not it either. Inheritance also not. Check DC. Oh yeah. Yeah, but I don't know which one. I have it here, right? Here are the arrows, but I don't remember what I need to use. Maybe Stack Overflow has the answer. Okay. Yeah, what the fuck is this? New items, phone number. Remove two classifiers. No. Composition. Yeah, I think the composition would be the right thing. Ciao, Umwelt ist doof. Geh mal wieder Alert. Okay. No, I'm not gonna go on Amazon. What the fuck? Ads, fuck off. Yeah, I think the right one was what you said, the composition. So let's go with that. From the shirt has pocket, yeah. So in this direction. And we're gonna add this thing with 15, yeah, 15 would be good. Okay. So why? What the? Oh yeah. Okay. Now we're done. Okay. Thanks for coming. Bye. Okay, so with the tag, weapon, and fast save, and the next thing are these two, the melee and the so attributes we still have. Do we need them? Do we need the things from the one we are getting the stuff from? No, we don't. So we can delete this, and so operations, we still have the attack, but now we're gonna just make it like this. We have a type of weapon for the melee. That's melee. And this is weapon, what did I call it? Range. And he's gonna have a sprite. No. The melee doesn't. Oh yeah, he still has the range. Yeah. So this has the weapon size, and that would be of a float. And I think that would be it. No. We still need weapon size and swing speed. No, swing time. That's also a float. And we have the delay or timeout. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delay. So attack delay, also a float. So what was it? What was it? Position dependency, inheritance, yeah. Fruit. Okay, so from here to here with the arrow with this one, and the same in this direction. Okay, so this has bullet speed, bullet range, reload time, ammo mount, and the effect. So yeah, this doesn't really have any other variations, right? No, yes, he does. So check. Attack delay is of a type bool. It's gonna come on. I'm gonna resize. Yeah, that's now. Of attack type bool, and we're gonna have the attack delay and attack time would be the swing. So animation, no, attack move, attack swing is avoid. Okay, and now here we have, what was it? The attack, damage, bullet speed, bullet range, bullet speed is float, bullet range is also a float, and I see I didn't keep true to my it works. Then we have the weapon range, bullet speed, bullet range, reload time, ammo mount. Reload time is also float, and ammo amount is of type int. Yeah, that should be it. Then we're gonna have the reload, that's of type void, and reload, what would be bullet manager, that's also of type void, and I think that would be it, right? No, reload, bullet manager, and ammo. No, that could be private. Ammo track void. No. Cool. Yeah, no, now I think the bullets need one, so I can spawn and shoot in one direction, right? But then yeah, they give the attack. But then the speed and everything must be on them too. I'm just gonna give them the attack and the bullets are their own thing. I think that would be... Then I can remove them from this and... Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna create a bullet class that is abstract. So we can create bullets for every weapon we need. So we have the bullet speed, bullet range, the reload is on the weapon, and the amount is on the weapon. So it's abstract. Operations has not this, but it has the bullet. That's for shooting. And it has yeah, I think that would be it, right? Speed, range. Oh no. He still needs the attack. So bullet attack with the type attack. And if the bullet with the attack, that's the attack of type attack. Come on. And what do we have? The on hit event, right? So we have hit event. I don't know how Godot has this, so let's call it void right now. We still need to update this, and this only has a bullet of type bullet. And no, not inheriting. This as, what is it again? This thing here, right? Yeah, so from this, wait, can I add something like a note? Yeah, a comment. Let's put it here. Come on. Yeah. So different types of bullets. So we added the note, and I think that would be it from the base system. So we create different scripts based on the weapon. Okay, add this one. You know, you create different from them. No. These are the same. Just have different bullets. Yeah. So these are not. Okay. I think I should add something like they're added. They can be added through. You know, so I make them inspector pists. Okay. This is just something I'm gonna add for myself, so I know that these are these should be editable, changeable from the inspector, and the same thing from here. But why did I make them public? Why did I make them public right there? Damn, I have Alzheimer's. Weapon size, swing time, they could be, yeah, they could be completely private. So let's change that. Now almost everything should work. No. Should we? No, it's based on the weapon, so that's also something. And the effect, the attack, you can know that's from this. And the bullet has, yeah, that should also be changed from the inspector. So now that should work. I think it would also be enough, right, for the weapons. The system to aim would need a thing, but the weapons should be enough. No, the effects are still missing. Yeah. First, let's move this over to the right. And this can be a bit more on that. And let's go with that. So this is an effect. That's also abstract. And this has, I think I'm not gonna add any here, not any attributes, but how am I gonna? That's gonna be the run effect. I'm still gonna check how I'm gonna do that, and that's also gonna be like this. Okay. Yeah, that would be good. Gonna save that, and we're gonna continue with the weapon inventory system. But before that, I'm gonna take a small break. We're almost 1 hour in, so be right back. Just a small break, and you get me something to drink.
We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you just keep me close, deep to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you just keep me close, lead the way, take it slow, then maybe I'll get us both what we want. We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you, all for you. Yeah, I'm all for you, all for you.
Okay, I'm back. Let's continue. We were gonna start with the weapon inventory system. So I'm gonna yoink this one here and put it here. And pull it up. I don't want to use more sites than necessary. So this is the weapon. Not it. Weapon system UMO. Yeah, that looks good. We have the weapon system. That's not abstract. How are we gonna do the weapon system? I don't know. Should aim, switch, attack, reload, pick up, and drop. Okay, yeah. The reload is an event. The same with the aim. No, the aim is not. An attack. Yeah, reload and attack are events. Switch weapons are... Okay. I have an idea how we can start. So no, that doesn't do inspector. So this is the inventory size, the weapon inventory size of type int, and we're gonna come on. It's a weapon inventory of type weapon array, and this all yeah. So the size, the weapon, and we have okay, how can do that? Yeah, we just have all the events, right? In the update. It's like if this button is pressed, then this, and this, and this. Just the aim. So yeah, I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Yeah, that should be enough right now. Okay, so I think we should start with the weapon. Yeah, we need to start with the weapon thing, or attack and effect, bullet, and then weapon stuff. So let's move this up there and zoom in so you can read that. Let's start with attack, and so let's close the documentation stuff. We have the player manager. It's for the movement, and no, we're gonna create a new file. That's the weapon. Oh no, we're not gonna use player. Yeah, so new folder, weapons, and in here we're gonna create the attack CS, create the effect CS, folder effect. So attack effect bullet, new folder, bullets, bullet, CS, and yeah, that's it for now. No. So yeah, so here we create the weapon CS, but we're gonna start with this. So I'm gonna move this here, and we're gonna start using Godot. Don't need the system. We have a public class attack. And yeah, no, I don't think we need to get, yeah, no, public class attack. And we have a public attack with, let me zoom in again. Yeah, now you can read it. With int damage and the effect, no, not audio effect, the effect. Come on, don't fuck me, effect. Private int damage, private effect, so this damage, this effect, and that should be enough right now. No, we need to make a public int get damage, return damage, and a public effect get effect. Nice. Okay. And now we're gonna move the effect over here and using go dot public class effect public abstract class effect private effect private, oh my god, what is it? No attributes, just the run. So this is a public void run effect I'm gonna return nothing, and I'm just gonna use the go dot log. Oh god, what was it again? I had some log. Yeah, gd print. Gd print. Gd print. Run effect. I'm gonna code the effect every time for it's himself, and just gonna run the run effect function. Yeah, so like this, and that should work. Yeah, so now I have the effect here, and we can go to the bullet, right? Attack, yeah. So bullets, using go dot public class public abstract class bullet And so now we're gonna have an export private lot bullet speed export private plot bullet range and a private private tag, but that's the tag doesn't need to be in the inspector. He gets the tag from the thing, so private tag bullet tag. Okay, now that should work, and you have a public bullet tag tag bullet tag attack, and we have an event. But how do the events work? So go to events, documentation. Wow, how did we create events? Calling the player? How to create events? I know I saw how it works, but events, not input event, no event handling, user input, I handled collision. Can place input event. No, I don't wanna. Come on. Go to create own events. How many documentation sites are there? What the fuck? Okay. So these signals. Yeah, okay, signals versus wait. Manual scripting? Was it on scripting? No. Networking? Also not. Where was it? Where usage scripting rendering? Can you version? No. 2D? Also not. Signal. Come on, there, signal. Environment type that represents a signal of an object instance. Environment types. It can be stored in variables and passed to functions. Signal allow to connect callables and by extension their respective objects to listen and react to events without directly referencing one another. This keeps the code flexible and easier to manage. Didn't I use this? Didn't I use this? Using signals, wait. Let me... Okay, no. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. signal via code. Override, no. Complete script. Custom signals, yeah. Okay, so we have the depleted handler. Smash was, yeah, I looked at this last stream, but I forgot everything. Okay. This didn't work the same as building ones. Custom signal. Emit to the signal. Emit signal. Signal name. Take damage. Would that be insane? No. Yeah, so we create a signal. Okay, so the longest in FM is extra arguments within the function. Okay, I need to look at this one more. Okay, signal enemy died. Emit something else. Okay. I just need mod, that's it all. That is all. You need mod. Why? Why do you need mod? Yep, because. Okay, can I make you mod from my command? Yeah, mod blue say, oh no, 99. Do you have mod? Please write in the chat. Come on, Lucer, write in the chat, please. I want to see if it works. Nice. That's the only reason why I'm here. Oh, come on, dude. We're making a game. Isn't it fun? Okay, so what am I? And you're using it every time you want to write something, right? Every time you write, I get this box. So I see every message you can post. Okay, but I'm not gonna use the hit event. And I need to move the bullet from here. I love to develop stuff. Stoof! With one, yeah. You missed one F. Respect. Yeah, so, okay, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna move the thing. No, I need a sprite, right? Yeah, that should still work. Okay, how can I do that? Nice, Steam Elements works. How can I move? How to move the player? No, the player has a rich body. That doesn't work. How can I do that? I don't want to use the rich body. What? I want to do Lua, Java, mailboard. What? What is mailboard? How? How do you call it? Lua, Java, and more. Yeah, I'm really good. Come on. I still don't know how I'm gonna do that. I want to make the bullet move now. Stuff from the stuff with one F again. I think I need to make this a rigid body, right? This is a character body. How do I make bullets? We'll create bullets. And CNC is so easy. Oh yeah, it is, right? Let's create a spawn bullets in Godot. 2023. Come on.
Weil es für dieses Rendezvous Paris sein muss.
I don't want to get copyright strike, so. And ads. Love it. Why always ads? And a second ad. Come on. Okay, but fuck off. I don't like ads. And I still didn't add extension. So we're just gonna add one. Come on. Add blocker. What was it? Add block. Yeah, I think this one was the good one. So
42D, we're going to add a sprite, add a collision shape, something here,
okay, so
collision shape,
come on, yeah.
pull this in a little bit.
Is this the player or the?
We're going to left to this as you want, prefer not to. We're going on ready. And
He made turret.
Stay there.
Just
Now the reason why we created this as an export is so we can come up here and modify as much as we want to without actually having to edit the code. Very easy. So finally, moving back to our variables, we need two more. Actually no, we only need one more. A variable for can underscore fire.
Oh, that's nice.
It's going to be of type bool, and it's going to be set equal to stop fire to make sure that it works.
Connect timeout.
And have like a distinct time between.
It's so easy.
Get control S to save. I'll go back into my main scene, into 2D view. Actually be able to aim our turret. So to it's different types of this. For now we are going to just, and we're going to give this using move and color. Like in our resources folder, we're going to go to folder. This one will just be called resources.
Extend of the character.
Then in here, we are going to create another new folder. We're going to call it bullet.
Okay, I'm off for now. Coming back in a minute.
Or even better, rename it to projectile, because you never know, you might want different types of projectiles. And then we're going to create one more new folder, and we're going to call it bullet. Now, and open that up. Set up, we can now sprite 0. For a lines that something else will be able to have, we're going to create lights to. Oh, type in projectile based resource, hit create, call it. I'm going to modify.
So what is
in our inspector here
base?
Using move and collide.
That's name's bullet.
folder. This one will just be called resources. You could wallet underscore resource.
Okay, we have third entity. It's body.
For grabbing, then dot emit fire. Finally, we need to pass in our projectile resource. Our position. It's going to be called managers. I usually create folder, and with this building block here, it allows us to actually edit it. Now we could set this as something into this. Now the easiest way of doing this, and by that I mean when our signal gets fired, kind of makes it so that this now exists. Now we need to modify it correctly. Now we can wallet
position
dot rotation copy, go down to our, I keep losing it.
What the fuck? Okay, no, this is too much for me right now. How should bullets? Come on. They okay. Sprite, make a separate scene. Yeah, make it scene. Then add the position to the player and call bullet. See, now that the position to this is optional, I use it. So one map for spawning from a player position. Yeah, okay. Already. Button efficiency. Get node. Position, go position. Okay, but how am I gonna shoot? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. That should be pretty easy. So we're just gonna use this and make it extend from node. Isn't partial. Oh, so it needs to be partial. Okay, partial. Oh, I can't make abstract classes of. Yeah, okay, I'm fucking idiot. Okay, how am I gonna do that then? So it can't be abstract if it's partial. That's shit. Or is it? No, it's not. I'm just fucking stupid. Again. Why did I mark the bullet as abstract then? Different types of bullets, yeah, but how would I need that? I don't need this to be abstract. Okay. Now this works. It should at least. So no, that I don't wanna. No, I don't want to set the bullet speed. That should be set via the export. But what was it? Yeah, physics. So function public override void 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 physics process and gonna add the position. How can I use my own position? Nodes and scenes. Nodes. How can I move my own position? Manual? Where is it? scripting. Is it here? No. Core features? Node scene, node path, creating nodes, creating script, instancing with signals, resource singleton scene. No, where is it? 2D? No. Assets? Best practice? What the? Node. Okay, node, let's go. Dot blank, move via physics or script. Right now, I'm following this example, so it's via physics. But I think I fucked up, and because it's not an area 2D, right? That I'm using? No, I'm not using anything right now, so I can use this. But I don't think node works with that. I need to make this to an area 2D. It's just the second time I'm working with Godot. So the second stream since I started working with Godot. I didn't work with it before and I'm just learning, but yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. Properties, yeah, I think. Okay, we have process, but not physics. Nodes have no position info. You can try node 3D and set position on per frame basis or node 2D. Yeah, I'm making a 2D game, right? I can show it to you. This is just the small worm that I can move around right now, and a little background so I can see it move. Yeah, so you say I should use the position. Yeah, I don't see. Okay, so the node 2D has position, you say. Where is it? Node area 2D. What's the area 2D then? Come on. Why is it loading so much? I don't like it. Bone. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. So, area 2D is a node 2D object. Sign for special collision shape. Child node, the text when. Okay. Do you think I should use the area 2D because I'm using, you can set it in a regular process, but if you use in a physics-based node, it's gonna require some extra hand holding. Okay, but I'm not using physics, so I could use the node 2D, right? But I need colliders, so should I use the area 2D? Goal position, yeah, position stuff, but not really for collisions, right? From physics objects, from node 2D, parent node, children. Yeah, no, this. Does this work? No, I don't think so. So I need to use the area 2D. Where is it? Here. Area 2D. For bullet, you just care if it's about to hit something, right? I would use a ray cast 2D to damage the hit. Yeah, but I want to. I don't want the bullets to move instantly. I want to be slow. It's like, wait, I can show you my simple GDD. I want the fighting to feel like entered the dungeon if you played before. So you can do either. What do you mean with that? I can do with raycasting the instant. It doesn't make sense for bullets to have an area. Yeah, but then what did I use for the player? I used character controller. No, I don't want that. I just thought about the area because I clicked through a video a few minutes before you joined, and he used Area 2D to do that. I made a scene for the bullet to shoot, to create the scene and shoot in one direction, but I have no idea. Music, but it's kind of meh. Okay, but what should I use if I want to create a bullet that's moving slowly in one direction, like not instantaneous? So not this. Box, collision, object. Can I use this? Can hold any number of shape. Collision, each shape must assign shape owner. Are not nodes and do not appear in the editor. Potential through the shape. I would use raycast to make the target of the raycast pretty short. But why? I don't know why would I do that. If I can just say direction, say shoot and move just forward in this direction. Wouldn't that be easier than creating raycast? And just if it hits something, then add the damage. So with signal, they call it signal in Godot. No, I don't want a mouse. Collision mask, property, input pickable, input event, mouse. No, I don't want mouse. Transparent. Move. Shape get owner. This shape count. Index. Okay, what the fuck? Let's see what did they normally just create a scene with L2D, but I think it will be too many bullets, so the performance could be bad. Does anyone have a good way to create many 2D bullets? It's an object pool. Time pools on the screen may help as you want with destroying objects all the time. See this? Okay. So, okay, I agree with the answer. Set up the bullet pool system. You can won't be insisting going free at the time, which can cause lag. When you do use instantiate or queue free in your game, use call deferred so the game doesn't hang until the operations are completed. Okay. Simple screens itself. Okay. create bullet as a scene. That scene could include the bullet sprite, a collision area, short script, and a visibility notifier 2D. In the script queue, free the bullet when the option scene fires. Preload the bullet scene, give it velocity when you instantiate it, add it to the scene tree, and watch the high-performance bullets fly. Don't listen to the rumors about the We Wish Bullet with Unity crowd about this performance. Unless you literally have thousands of bullets on screen, you won't see a single problem. Once you finish your game, use the profiling tools to identify any bottlenecks. Implement those in the creative native if necessary. You almost certainly will have no issues at all. Okay. 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 Oh, yeah, nice. This doesn't work, thanks. But I think I'm gonna follow this guy. Or do you have a better idea than this guy? Here. If you're still there, I don't know. You check. Yeah, I know. He's gone. Okay. Okay, so now we have a plan. We're gonna follow what Hingis said 3 years ago. And hope that this still works. I think can I paste the link? Yeah. Kids can code. Okay, I'm just gonna trust you, and that's the wrong browser. I don't want this here. Okay, so oh, this is. Oh, thanks. Right. The movement, great. Wow, that's. I'm gonna save that. Wow. Learning. Okay, so bullet object instance, you know what you will use. Area 2D. Okay, it used an area 2D, but works. Many ways to slice the same problem. Yeah, that's programming. Sprite 2D collision shape. Yeah, that's almost like I would do it. You can use set nodes by insert pointing direction matches the parent's forward direction. Okay, yeah, that's good to know. That should connect the area to the body entered signal. Okay. Speed, physics process, in-group mobs. Q3. What does body.q3 do? Is it just removing the thing or delete the target? Okay, so I don't want to use that, but I want to use that. Okay. What is a packed scene? Type, what I move. In the character script, we add the variable code the bullet scene for instancing. It's a. Okay, so. Oh, okay, I understand. Not sure function we can set the bullet added to the tree. Common mistake is to add the bullet as child of the player. Yeah, no, we're not going to do that. Bullet instantiate a child. Okay. Yeah, good. Then. Okay. That should work. Then this is the area 2D. Area 2D. Speed, range, the attack. Can we get the if we instantiate the scene, can we still set the oh my god, how it's called, the constructor? Can we still call the constructor if we instantiate the scene? Good old constructor. No, I cannot. You will init with no arcs. Okay. Then I need to change this from to set attack public void. No. What the? Void set attack like this. But to call constructor you just can't press nox. Yeah, okay, but I still need nox, so I'm gonna make a setter for this, and for the physics process with position plus equals transform dot x times bullet plus bullet speed times delta. Apply to the ends of type vector. Why doesn't this work right now? Okay, so operator cannot be applied to open range of the type vector 2 and double. Oh, do I need to make this a float or what? Delta is something I don't really know. Yeah, I have some problems with using C#, but it's not so big, but and I like to compile it first. Bullet speed times delta. Okay, so it's okay. I knew it. Sharp double to float. So float to string double return. Okay, it's cast. So I'm just gonna cast it to float. Yeah, this works, and I can use this. Okay, now this should work. We remove the bullets if it hits anything at all. Did it hit anything? Okay. We don't need to call the basics process. Okay, then I can clean this up and just do the same in the player. Then we have bullets, the effects. stats and the attack. And we can start with the weapon. So using good public partial class weapon. I don't really want this to be because its virtual function stopped out for you. It actually runs its own hidden cross behind the scenes and then calls your overload one. Okay, good to know. Thanks. Do you know how to create abstract classes, or can I do that? Because I want to make abstract classes for my weapons, so I have two types of weapons, melee and weapon range. I'm gonna make this node to the and this has export private int damage, export private effect. Not in C#, but I know basic Godot principles. I haven't tried with Godot classes, but I imagine that it would have to be a pure C# thing. Yeah, but I didn't figure it out right now. Okay, look Godot abstract class. Best practice, let's go. So, I have a question. By node, I assume you mean dialog when you get a new node in the case. Yes, it extends node and declare abstract methods. Yeah, it's not pretty. I do what you did, but in empty as possible method into the base class and then override it. It's not ideal. Not sure. I follow your last question. As you said, I think that's bad. /old. Oh, what I'm looking at now, 4.1. Isn't that what I'm using? Can I see the 2.2.2? So it's one version of. I mean that's useful. Yeah, but yeah, maybe I should search for good abstract class C#. Okay. Okay, it's solved. Abstract class and node. Okay, what the fuck? It inherits from a Godot object. Needs to be partial class. Just requirement. Partial class. Weird though, I tried that before. Thanks. Might have tried partial abstract, but also claim because it's a partial sec. Okay, so I'm just stupid as fuck. It's partial. Public abstract. Partial abstract. Partial. Yeah, I'm just stupid as hell. Okay, public. No, this can be normal. I'm just stupid. First I said public partial abstract class. That means it must be public abstract partial class. Okay. Yeah, unused. But why do we have problem? The exported field type is not supported. Huh? What? Why is this not supported? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. And let's take a look at this. Effect and the public void attack. No, that's not public attack. Return attack from the damage. So what okay, yeah. Attack used this and this, so return new attack with damage and effects. That should be enough, right? New attack, public, effect, yeah. So oh yeah. Why does this type of export? Oh, I can't use an export on this because my own type. What the? Okay, so do I need to add the path I want to use, or? I don't think you can export an abstract class. Yep. But if I create my own, if I create another class that's from the effect one, can I call it from there? Could be wrong though. Okay. Then let's create a sample temp resource. What's resource? Base class for all resource types. Article. Oh, okay, yeah, that's exactly what I want. Thanks. So effect resource, and this doesn't like it. Abstract partial. Now this works. Nice. Thanks. So now that it's serialized, I can. What it's done. That should be it, right? I didn't add any more. No, that's the base weapon. Now we can create the weapon range and melee. Weapons. Weapon melee. Weapon types. And you create a weapon melee CS and a weapon range CS. So using Goda and public partial class weapon range weapon give it to see how the node looks in Godot. Yeah, I could do that. but I don't have things set up right now. I'm just doing the code, and after I done with the base coding, I'm creating the scenes and put everything in Godot. So just a few minutes, I'm just gonna create an example with them. I'm gonna create the range. So we have the export private bullet export private lore reload time export private int ammo amount public void reload public void jar public bool no private bool and I'm seeing right now I made a small thing, and that's gonna be the current ammo amount, and that's not in the editor. Come on, move over and come on. Yeah. So current, and that's private int current ammo amount. If this current ammo amount equals 0, return false. Else return true. Okay. So this should be a simple. This one's done, and now we can create bullets. So create child node. The bullet was area 2D, if I remember right. I'm gonna take a look first. Where was it? Here. Yeah, area 2D. So I'm gonna move you over to the second monitor, and we're gonna this is area 2D for the bullet. Rename that example bullet and create, what was it? Let's move this here. A sprite. Oh no, we don't need that right now. I'm just gonna add the script. Quick load. Bullet. Build. Wait, shouldn't there be a bullet node you can just add? Is there? I don't know. If there is, I'm adding it. Okay, so bullet No, there is no bullet. Good. Is it a 2D? One sec, let me look it up. Okay. I don't see anything like that. Under control. Collision. Put global class above class definition. Where? Above what class? Oh, you mean that? Oh, now I understand what you want. Okay, so above the bullet, you mean here, global class, and now I should be able to see a bullet. You see, I think I need to build first. Is it done? Yeah, there it is. Nice. And I can just delete that and rename this example bullet. And wait. Collision shape, I don't need that. Yeah, okay, so the node works. We have the bullet speed and the range. This works, don't have a global class. Make populate in the inspector, okay. Yeah, but it seems like everything works, so... yeah. Now I still have to make the aim. The weapon needs to be done, and there are many things that I need to make. Just like I forgot to add the transform of other objects. So to add the muzzle, but I'm not gonna do that now. Reload, bullet manager, that's the one that creates it. Come on. Okay. I just need to think about what I'm doing now. What do I do? Okay. Okay. What do we do now? Oh, God, that's too much now. Okay. We have the bullet. Do I need the sprite? I think. So I'm gonna just look for some. No. They must have something like this, right? Not the platformer, but watercraft. No. Where is it? Mini dungeon, mini skate, no. Mini golf, Pico 8 city, platformer. I need some bullets. Simple space? What's that? I think I'm gonna move you back to the main desktop. It's characters, I don't want characters. Vehicle, I used that already. But there are no particles, no. Voiceover, no. Sports, tanks? No. Holiday, sci-fi, platformer, space shooter. That could be some weapons. Blocked characters, generic items. Tower defense. But I don't see modular characters, no. Game icons. Space shooter, no. Art requests. Come on. No, they don't have things like that. No, I don't want rockets. No, they only have rockets in there. No, too generic. No real weapons, like a pistol and a... But I don't need that. I can do that now. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do some simple graphics right now to add to the weapon. I need a little break from programming, so we're just gonna search for some inspiration and make... Do I need to log in? No, okay. I don't want this to be German right now, but I don't think I can... Oh wait, if I change that to... No, he still redirects me to the German one. I don't like that. Can I change the system language real fast? I don't want this to be German. What the fuck are you doing on Pinterest? Oh, I need a break from programming, so I'm trying to make a weapon, but it's all German and I don't like that. I wanna quickly change this to English. So okay, no, I don't have English installed. Do I? No, these are just no, I don't. That's shit. Okay, so you're gonna have to stealing? No, not stealing. I'm gonna make it my own, but I want to look at what others are doing. So 2D pixel art weapons. Yeah, these look good. So I don't want to log in right now, so I can't open them in... Okay, I can open them here. Now I don't want melee. How about these? I mean, they do look futuristic, but can I... Yeah, okay, now that's nice. Or do I go less detailed? I think less detailed like this would still be fine. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with an art style like these, right? Or do I go more detailed? No, I think I like the simple one more. But these the cooler, so it, uh, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So they're going up. No, not like this. Up there. And can I move? Can I zoom in? No, I can't. Yeah, okay, that's enough zoom, so I can open sprite. Sprite, where is it? New file with 64 height 32 enough for some weapons like this area for now, and just so we don't lose this. Projects, where is it? Water worm, source, assets, weapons. That's right. Okay. Let's create a simple pistol, I think. So, about the color palette. Okay, let me just to create a simple palette. I like these. Yeah, enough. And some types of black. So we have the okay, that should be enough colors for now. So we're gonna do a simple outline right now. From something like this, but yeah, okay, we can't. I want to do something like this one. So yeah. He did add some light gray, so okay. Background. Let me just add a small background. Weapon. Outline. Well, I'm going to sleep. Have a nice stream. Thanks. Good night. Thanks for being here. Okay, so let's create the outline. is okay. Okay, I like that, but I think, yeah, I'm gonna pull this more back. Mm. Okay. No, I'm gonna cut it off here. Or am I? Yeah, I'm gonna cut it off like this and then move down here. And I mean, it doesn't look bad. I like that. But I think I'm gonna move that. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So I have the first pistol. But I think there might be a problem. No, I'm just gonna cut that in after that. Yeah, but the first... Okay, that's weapon 1. We have a simple weapon. That doesn't look bad. Don't forget to save. Nice. Yeah, I think half an hour, and then I'm done. But that doesn't look bad. And here we're gonna create the bullets. It must be upwards because we're turning it. So that's the pellets. Can I save the pellets or do I need? Yeah, okay. So for the bullet I wanna, do I make it a bolt? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make it a little bolt, so something like that. Okay, so let's move this here, and I think we're just gonna add this. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. Wow, it's easy, not easy, but better than I thought. I like this, but is it in the center? It doesn't look like it's in the center. Oh no, no, it should be in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no! Okay. Yeah, then that works. Why though? Export. Should I? I think I need to make them, to export them like this. Let me go dot export as sprite. How to export from us, right, set for Godot, to Godot, let's go.
Welcome to the video, my fellow goofy goober. We're finished importing this goober into Godot. I will teach you guys what component-based design is, what its benefits are, and why you should be using it, because if you're not using it, you're just a dummy head. And I will also show you my process for how I build my project here, and I'm going to get up here, manage editor feature with its big variable ahead, and head into your asset typing here. What we're going to be using is the asprite, and once you're finished, asprite wizard needs one of the settings. It's fine, and project tab. You're going to want to open there is a path to the down theme folder, execute file app, and it disappointed it. So now that we're done, so let's node type of add a couple body 2D. Sprite with 2 nodes is scene, and they aren't nested in one another. After we're done doing that, click on the Sprite 2D node and head over to the Inspector tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll notice that there are a couple of extra options that were not there before. These options are for the asprite wizard, and we're going to have to set a couple of things up for it. Select the animation player. All this is saying is that we want to import all of the animations from the asprite file into this animation player we added. The next thing we're going to have to do is get a file path to the asprite file we're trying to import. For me, I've already been to that folder plenty of times, so it pops up in my recent tab, but you're probably going to have to look around on your computer and navigate the file system. But once you've found the asprite file, make sure you select the correct one and then go ahead and open it. And now that you have the file path selected for that asprite file, the last thing we're going to have to do is make sure the only visible layers button is toggled. And I'll show you why this is important here in the asprite file. So when I had first displayed this in the intro, you saw that there was a background and a shadow. Now, the background you definitely do not want in your game because that is going to be attached to the sprite and only the sprite, and it's going to look really wonky with a separate background behind the character himself. You don't want that. So what that only visible layers toggle does is when you hide these layers in the asprite file, they won't get imported with the rest of them. So make sure that you have all of these layers separate so that the asprite wizard can properly import this the way you want it to. And once you've gotten all the layers selected that you want, another thing to double check is make sure all of your animations are separated in their separate tags and loops. So you can see that the running animation is in its own little loop here, and this is basically just separating the animations from one another so that the asprite wizard will be able to import them separately, because you don't want them imported all into one giant animation, you want them separate. So once you've made sure all of that stuff is set up, you're ready to go ahead and go import this guy. So let's head over to our Godot project here. And before we import this guy, I've made this mistake already, is you want to save the scene before you import. Otherwise, it's not going to work because it won't be able to find the sprite 2D because you haven't saved it yet. So go ahead and save this scene in whatever folder you need. Since I've already created this enemy, I'm just going to store this one in the examples folder and then just click save. So once you've done that, you're now ready to go ahead and import this guy. And all you have to do is click the import button. And it might take a second, but once it's done, you can see that this guy, he's actually in Godot now. It worked. He exists and he looks like a little goober. He's just standing there.
Okay.
Alright, it's probably going to be in your Pro Tools, and under this little Tools tab here, that checkbox, then you can go ahead and head into your asset library and look up. We've got a couple of 3D lifeless eyes. Make sure that checkbox is once. Here it is, and does properly in this tab, and then you'll see it involves opening the project and going into project settings. Here, you're going to want to navigate to your plugins tab, and then you'll see there's probably going to be just the asprite wizard, and if there's more, don't worry about it, it's fine. Go ahead and make sure that asprite wizard is enabled, and once you've done that, there's one last thing we have to do. So let's go back into our project tab and go to tools, and under this little tools tab here, you're going to want to open the asprite wizard configuration. And all this is asking for is a path to the asprite executable, the .exe file. And depending on how you downloaded it, it could be in some different places. So if you downloaded it not on Steam, chances are it's probably going to be in your program files under the asprite folder. And if you downloaded it from Steam, then it's probably going to be in your Steam apps folder. So go ahead and do a little bit of snooping around on your computer, and once you find that executable, do some Control-C and Control-V magic and copy and paste the
editor settings. Where? Come on. Editor settings sprite. Editor. No, not power commands. Editor settings. See. Sprite general. There it is, and sprite. And we need to copy the path again, and this should when path close. Oh, come on. Okay, let's check if this works. Found. Nice. Okay.
File path into this little tab here. And after you're done with that, click the test button to make sure it's found, then you start importing this guy. Sprite wizard. Let's go ahead and see and click on the way down to the bottom. These options are for the sprite wizard.
Oh. Okay, no. No, I can't do that. Oh, damn. Okay, I need to do it manually. But I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm very surprised that this looks so good. But I think, yeah, I'm gonna rotate that. Okay, right? Oh, I did it on the same. I fucking hate myself right now. Okay, so this is bullet 1. Nice. I really like this. Saving and create this quick screenshot of my first weapon, and I hit my mouse is in there, so like this. I think, yeah, I'm gonna continue another time. I will continue working on this off stream too, just so I can get more done, and so I can think about things longer and don't need to entertain all the time, let's say, because if I'm thinking about how I'm gonna make something, then I'm not talking, and that doesn't work well when I'm streaming right now. So yeah, we got pretty far. We have the weapon system and weapons planned out, and just need to implement them fully. We are halfway done with the implementation. I think until next time I'm done with that. I hope so. And I will start with streaming some gameplay content that will also be on this channel, and afterwards you can watch the gameplay stuff on my YouTube channels. I have a VODS channel, there you can see all the streams uncut, and I have my normal maukau-dev channel, there you can find gameplay footage and some coding stuff. In the future, right now there's nothing, but there will be. But I need time. So until next time, you can join my Discord for more updates. Good night.